Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an expression 6 minus 6 bracket 6 minus 9. So let's start with today's video solution. So people solved it 6 minus 6 0 multiply 6 minus 9 minus 3 and they reached at the answer 0 which is incorrect. So if an expression give multiple operation, that means they gives you subtraction and the parenthesis. So you have to follow certain rules. So I am going to use here PEMDAS rule, which says that P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So first solve the parenthesis. 6 minus 9 is minus 3, and when you remove the bracket, you have to put the multiplication sign. So now 6 times 3 is 18, and minus 6 minus 3 gives plus 6 plus 18 is 24. So what is the correct answer? 24, not 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.